Ngaikhishi Thamoido senglakpa Ngaikhishi Yithokhi.
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jayson and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're going to granted the request of my friends in Manipur, Sadananda Ngangum, and he wants me to react this Manipur music Ngaikhishi official music video. And the singer here is Sangeeta, and the cast here are Kaba and Balahejam, right? That was a very famous artist or actress and singer in Manipur music. Yes, I know that because I have a lot of music that she always sing the different song. Okay, so yes, the uploader of this music video, no other than Tantha. Thank you so much. Okay, so before we proceed to our reaction video, one more thing guys, please subscribe first to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button. Alright, let's proceed to our music. Without further ado, let's get now and watch this video. NFM Studio. Special thanks to Jayson, blah blah blah. Ngaikhishi. Okay. Ngaikhishi. Oh, Balahejam. I love you, Balahejam. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, that was a nice flower. Yeah. Yeah. Ngaikhishi. Oh, here you go. Here is a Kaba. Oh. Wow. Ngaikhishi. That's one only words that I know. Ngaikhishi. Oh, wow. There is a lot of balloons here. Manipuri music, guys. Ngaikhishi. Wow. I like their moves. That was the voice of Sangeeta, not Bella Hijam, guys. Alright? Just to correct you, this voice is Sangeeta voice, not Bella Hijam. Oh, it's raining! Wow! Look at Kaba. Oh? Oh, Ngaikhishi. Ngaikhishi. Wow. Alright, I enjoyed this music video. Thank you so much for Bella Hijab and Kaba, the two artists here. And wow, that was so impressive voice of Sangeeta. Ooh, I love it again. Thank you so much for sharing this to us. I'm so happy to watch it, and I'm so enjoying to dance with this music video. Ngaikhishi! Ngaikhishi! Alright! Money for Music's #1. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of music. Thank you so much guys for having me here until the end of this another reaction of video. Okay guys, so see you on my next reaction of video. And one more thing, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button. Okay, so see you around. See you on my next reaction of video. I love you so much, Manipuri and other state there in Northeast India. Thank you so much. I love you all, and God bless you all, guys. Bye. Woo.